Sometimes, everyone can use an escape from their day-to-day troubles and stresses. Wouldn't it be nice to be teleported to another world, or maybe even just the beach? This and more is possible with VR. This technology uses a headset to display 3D simulated images that you can interact with. And as cool and as fun as this can sound, entertainment is only the beginning when it comes to VR. It has already become an essential tool for medical professionals around the world. In previous years, VR was seen as just a gimmick with no long-term future in entertainment and much less as a tool in any industry. But after an explosion in popularity and hundreds of millions of dollars invested in its development, the technology has found uses in shopping, real estate, construction, and even the medical world. VR programs are now being used as a tool for physical therapy and a treatment in psychological therapy. Software developers and medical professionals have pushed VR to new heights in the healthcare industry by creating an invaluable medical tool. Virtual reality has already proven useful in physical therapy for those with disabilities. In a study by Turk J. Phys Medical Rehabilitation, researchers found that after VR therapy, children with cerebral palsy saw great improvements in their mobility. There's also a company named Neuro Rehab VR, which aims to make VR therapy more engaging and enjoyable, which will improve patient engagement. They collaborate with physicians and therapists to develop VR training exercises with machine learning to adjust the exercises to the therapeutic needs of their patients. VR-mediated therapy has also demonstrated significant improvements in gait rehabilitation for victims who experienced a stroke. This is according to researchers at the University of South Carolina. VR helps to retrain gait using treadmill training systems and a head-mounted device. VR-trained patients have shown to more effectively increase their gait speed compared to patients with traditional rehabilitation. But virtual reality is not only being used to help in the healing of the body, but also the healing of the mind. Virtual reality technology can also be used in the healthcare field to aid in psychological therapy and not just physical therapy. It has already been used to diagnose mental illnesses. For example, researchers from the University of Cambridge showcased their prototype for a VR program to diagnose Alzheimer's disease. The researchers said that the VR test enabled them to diagnose early-stage patients with more accuracy than pen and paper tests, according to the Scientific American. It can also be used in exposure therapy by therapists and psychologists in treating phobias. The Mental Health Trust, NSFT, already uses VR as a phobia treatment for an extensive list of fears. This can include exams, driving, public speaking, and storms. According to Nesta Reeve, a clinical psychologist and clinical lead for the VR service, it will make a difference to lots of people who are struggling with a variety of different fears. Virtual reality has demonstrated a wide array of benefits and great potential in the healthcare field. It has many uses and benefits. It can be used in physical therapy for improved rehabilitation times, and it can be used in psychological therapy in the treatment of phobias and of mental illnesses. Many people think that virtual reality is only for video games and entertainment, but virtual reality is a great medical tool. As it continues to develop as a technology with many different uses, more people will be able to benefit from this amazing new tool.